Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix 5G not working after iOS 27 update on iPhone. So if your iPhone was connecting to 5G before the update but now only shows LTE or 4G, the problem is not always with your carrier. Sometimes a major iOS update resets certain cellular performance or cause your iPhone to reconnect using default network settings. Because of that, 5G may remain disabled until a few settings are refreshed. So let's walk through and fix it one by one. So to start with, check whether 5G is still enabled on your iPhone. And to do that, open settings. Now go to mobile service. Now here select mobile data option and then tap on voice and data. And here make sure to choose 5G auto or 5G on if by default LTE is selected. Now if 5G is already enabled but your iPhone still not connecting, toggle aeroplane mode and wait for a few seconds and then turn it back off. This forces your iPhone to reconnect your newest cellular tower and can often restore the 5G connection. But if your iPhone continues using LTE, restart it once. A restart refreshes a cellular modem and reload your network configuration, which is especially helpful after installing a major software update. If that does not improve anything, check whether a carrier setting update is available. And to do that, open settings, go to general page. After that, tap on about and wait on this page for a few seconds. If any update appears, install it because carrier frequently release updates to improve network performance with new iOS version. And one last thing I'd recommend checking is whether you are running the latest version of iOS 27. And Apple often fix connectivity issue through a small follow-up updates. So go to software update and if any software update available, install it and check if the 5G connection recovers or not. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.